Hello my YouTube friends and family, how are you all? Hope all are good and fine.
Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into all things fabulous and stylish. Today, we are talking about Preppy room decor. Do I have some incredible tips to share with you? Let's jump right in. Preppy room decor is all about achieving a classy and vibrant environment. From furniture choices to pattern play, nautical accents, and personalized touches, this style has it all. So go ahead, get creative, and let your room reflect your unique preppy personality. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more decor inspiration. Until next time, stay preppy, stay fabulous.